Good morning, students. We are doing respiration in organism. This is part 5. Respiration in animals. Other than human beings, respiration in animals. Let's see what happens. Respiration in animal kingdom. Even though respiration is a common characteristic of all living organisms, only a handful of them use lungs to respire. Some animals respire through lungs. Here are some respiratory organs found among animals. Despite lungs, there are some other organs also which respire. What is this? Do you know? The principal respiratory organ for the dolphin and whale are lungs and not gills. Even though they live in water, they have lungs, not gills. This is one of the reasons they are placed in the same group of the animal kingdom along with humans, dogs, cats, tigers, etc. and calls mammals, because they respire through their lungs. They live in the ocean, but they don't have gills. They have lungs, so they are categorized in as mammals, just like us. Now, first, we already know lungs. Lungs is found in human beings and also found in higher animals with complex body designs as birds, snakes, lizard, frog, tiger, deer, dogs. They all have lungs to breathe, to respiration. Next is gills. All mostly which are underwater animals respire through gills. Fish, shark, most other aquatic animals respire through the gills. Gills are present on both the sides of the fish head. The gills could be covered by a bony flap called operculum, as in bony fish, and or they could be open as in sharks. They means gills are covered with operculum. Gills are abundantly supplied with capillaries that allow oxygen to enter and carbon dioxide to leave the bloodstream. When the fish opens its mouth, water is drawn into the oral cavity and passes through the gills, bringing in exchange of gases. It enters through the mouth of the fish and it is exhaled through the गिल्स. माउथ से एंटर करता है, गिल्स से निकलता है, और उसी बीच कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लीव्स द बॉडी एंड ऑक्सीजन एंटर्स द बॉडी थ्रू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम and passes through the gills, bringing in exchange of gases. Though the adult frog and toad breathe through lungs, their young tadpole uses the gills to respire. Adult frog and toads breathe. They have lungs, and sometimes they also respire through their skin also. And young frog, which is called tadpole, uses the gills to respire. Now, some animals which respire through their moist skin. Example is very common, earthworm. Some examples such as earthworm use their moist skin for gaseous exchange. A similar method is used by frog, toad, sea turtle, sea snake to respire underwater. And underwater frogs also respire through their skin. And when they go hibernation, they also respire through their skin. Trachea and spiracles. Insects like grasshopper and cockroach, mainly cockroach, have many small openings called spiracles all over the body. These open into an elaborate system of tubes called trachea. They have spiracles and trachea. Gaseous exchange takes place between the air that flows through the trachea and the body. Gaseous exchange takes place in grasshopper and cockroach through their air, takes place between the air that flows through trachea and the body. Mainly these respire through spiracle. Name the respiratory organ found in human being. Lungs. Frog, you can say lungs, skin, both. Fish, gills. Cockroach, spiracles. Snake, have lungs. Sea snake, moist skin. Only snake, lungs. Sea snake means water, underwater snake means moist skin. Okay. Plant cell respire just as animal do, like all our other living beings who would die if they stop respiration. Means plants and animals can die if they stop breathing. However, plants do not possess lungs or gills or other animals. Let's see what plants have in the next video. Thanks for today. Okay.